Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomelife.com. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some great companies that hire remote workers and that also pay by PayPal. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out how you can get a list of these companies along with my free 7-day series on finding work at home free. Well, PayPal is a really popular payment option for both those working from home and those that are paying work from home agents. Because of some of the new features that are available. When a client pays you today, those funds are usually available in your PayPal account almost instantly and also available for you to use almost instantly through things like PayPal Now or PayPal debit cards. And even if you want to ultimately transfer those funds to your bank account, that's usually done within 1 to 2 business days right now. So it's really a convenient option, especially for those who are looking to accept international payments. Now, a lot of companies that hire work-at-home agents do still want to pay by direct deposit or even sometimes check. But more and more we are seeing companies that want to offer PayPal payments. And so those are some of the companies that we are going to be talking about today. There's quite a few in a different number of industries, so regardless of your skills, there may be something here for you. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is Transcription. There's actually quite a few companies in this industry that offer PayPal payments. Rev.com is one that is open to beginners without experience, and that one does offer PayPal payments weekly. There is another one called GoTranscript that is open to transcribers with no experience, and that one's going to allow you to be paid weekly by PayPal or Payoneer. And if you do have a little bit of experience under your belt, BabbleType hires transcriptionists, translators, and proofreaders. Now, if you're looking to do a little bit of work on a local level and get out in a community, there's some great apps that are going to pay you by PayPal. Field Agent is one that will allow you to complete little gigs around town. You may be doing some things that are more along the lines of mystery shopping. And for an example, you might be checking a store for a display or the price of a certain item. Another one that is similar to this is called GigWalk, which is really similar to Field Agent, and both of those pay by PayPal. Now, if surveys are your gig, Pinecone Research is one of the better survey panels that's out there. They aren't always accepting new agents, but once you can get in, they do pay $3 for each survey that's completed. Now, like I said, they aren't always taking everyone all the time. They often have a specific demographic that they're looking at. A lot of times recently what we've seen has been males over the age of 18 that are living in the United States. But that is something to keep an eye on. It's called Pinecone Research. Keep an eye on that one. They do pay well for their surveys and they do pay by PayPal. Now, one of the more interesting ones on our list this time is called SigTrack. And what you are doing as an agent for that company is processing voter registrations and petition signatures. Their pay, it includes a base pay minus any errors that are found within your work. The company rarely has any openings, so you'll need to keep an eye on their website. But they do pay by PayPal, and with that one, they do recommend you do have a dual monitor setup. Now, website testing is something that many people in my community really enjoy. The work isn't necessarily going to be frequent. However, it does pay really well when those tasks do become available. Many times with these website testing companies, we see testers being paid anywhere from $5 to $50 per test. Usually it's around $15 per test, and those only take about 15 or 20 minutes to do a website feedback. And those are going to, in many cases, allow for PayPal payments. Userlytics is one, and user testing are both fan favorites that will allow you to get paid usually within 7 days to 2 weeks from the time that you complete one of those website tests. Now, you may have noticed that a lot of the options that we talked about today are on the lower end of the pay scale. But the good news is if you are looking to get a higher wage for the work that you're doing from home, PayPal is one of the most popular options for freelancers. When we're talking about freelancing, you may be getting into freelance writing, virtual assisting, social media management, graphic design. Any of these industries has a huge demand right now. You can make a great wage doing really flexible work, and you get to determine what your payment method is going to be. So if that's PayPal, you certainly get to determine that when you are in the driver's seat there. And I'm going to leave you a link to my website, which will explain a lot of different freelance industry options that you have available to you. If you don't yet have a PayPal account of your own, the good news is that they are really simple to set up. It's only going to take you 5 to 10 minutes to get your account set up, so you can start accepting those payments. You're just going to want to hop over to the paypal.com page and click the sign up for a new account at the top of the page. Then all you're going to need to do is fill out some personal information, an email address, and start getting that set up. You can choose to go ahead and link a bank account or a credit card account, or you can go ahead and apply for one of those PayPal debit cards that we discussed earlier. And once that's done, you'll be able to start accepting PayPal payments from your new clients. Now, if you liked today's video, please give it a like and a share, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so you get notification of my next video. And make sure you check the description below for a link to a list of the companies we discussed in this video and a few more, along with a few other helpful blog posts that will point you in the direction of some great work at home opportunities. Until next time, thanks for watching the video, and I wish you best of luck in finding your perfect work at home job.